At AFEX, quality isn't a department, it's who we are. Every fire suppression system that leaves our facility is built to protect lives and perform when it matters most. We've been protecting heavy-duty mobile equipment for decades, and our systems have earned a reputation for being reliable, tough, and built to last. We take care of our most critical parts right here at AFEX, using machining, automation, and inspection tools that check, recheck, and verify every detail. Take our Keyence machine. It uses high-resolution cameras and laser sensors to measure every part with incredible precision. Each day it inspects thousands of parts, capturing up to 20 points on each one to guarantee accuracy and consistency. It works within tolerances as tight as 0.005 of an inch, and if a part doesn't meet that standard, it's rejected right then and there. Because when it comes to safety, good enough just isn't good enough. Our nitrogen cartridges are the driving force behind the AFEX system, releasing a powerful burst that releases the agent and knocks down the fire fast. That's why perfection isn't optional. Every detail matters. We weigh each bottle to ensure it's exactly where it should be. Then submerge it in water to confirm there are absolutely no leaks. We're so serious about getting it right that we store each cartridge upside down for 3 months, then weigh it again to make sure nothing has changed. If there's even the slightest variation, it doesn't move forward. Because when safety's on the line, perfection is the only standard. Every tank, every actuator, every piston is weighed, calibrated, and double-checked by our team. We run a 100% quality inspection on every part, and nothing moves forward until it meets our exact standards. We take the time to get it right, because that's how you build reliability you can count on. Before anything leaves our facility, it's inspected by 3 people and signed off 3 times. There's documentation and traceability for every single component, so nothing is left to chance. We even record video of each packed order and share it with our customers. Complete transparency from our floor to theirs. If it doesn't meet our standard, it doesn't ship. When that shipment arrives, our customers know it's complete, protected, and ready to work. From design to delivery, every person at AFEX takes pride in doing things the right way. We're confident in what we build because fire suppression for heavy-duty mobile equipment is all we do, and we do it better than anyone else. Our customers know that's what sets us apart. They trust us because our systems don't just work, they work every time. AFEX. Built right, built safe, built to protect. Because when lives are on the line, only the best will do.